I'm not tilted. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Now guys, this is my second week review of using the Fair Skin Derma set. And as you can see, December 22, I started using Derma set, I think December 5 ng gabi, pero I didn't count that as my, like, you know, full day talaga na ginamit ko siya. I started at December 6. So, yeah guys, so this is my face now. I don't have anything on. I'm not wearing foundation, contour, concealer, wala talaga guys. I'm only wearing, oh my gosh, my nails are so disgusting. Wearing lip balm, na-tinted lip balm siya. Nag-mascara ako, of course. Nagkilay lang. Highlighter sa inner corner. Other than that, wala na po akong nilagay. Well, highlighter sa inner corner ko. Sa ilong. Yan. Dito, onte. Yan lang guys. Wala na akong nilagay foundation or ano pa man. This my face looks like now after using the Derma Skin for second week. And guys, yeah. So, I have been really loving it kasi nga ang daming guys, improvements na nakita ko sa paggamit ko ng Derma set, and especially dito sa mga blemishes ko. Sorry about the lighting kasi this is the best lighting that I could have at the moment kasi padilim na guys, pa sunset na, and I just remember na I have to make a review about it or an update about the facial Derma set. And ayoko mag-film sa baba kasi kung saan ako nakaupo nung first film ko. Oh my god, there's a sun. Kung saan ako nakaupo nung first, oh Jesus, that is so harsh, sun, like really. But no worries kasi I'm using the sunblock. Ganyan talaga kasi parang kita-kita nyo yung imperfections talaga ng mukha ko, diba? Sumang-ayon si sun. Oh, guys, yan. May mga redness, onte. Dito, nag-lighten up na yung pimple marks ko, especially yan, yung dito. At saka yung dito sa gilid ng smile lines ko kasi medyo I have an even skin tone there. Nag-lighten up na siya, guys. My camera is in the middle. Kasi I have to close it a little bit kasi pag ganyan, ang sobrang liwanag, guys. I don't think you'll be able to see me properly, but anyway. But anyway, let's continue. So, dito sa side naman na to, wala namang, I have to zoom you in if you want. So, nothing really major naman. I have still a redness there, but I think it's diffusing. Yung parang dati talaga na grabe siya. Wala naman ako masyadong reklamo about it kasi I really love the improvement na binigay sa skin ko. And guys, grabe talaga. Nag-improve talaga siya. Hindi na siya ganun kapula. Yung dito, like, nag-lighten up yung mga pimple marks ko. Sa noo, wala na akong pagbabalat dyan. As you can see, wala na. A little bit here lang on my eyes. And then around my nose, may pagbabalat pa ako. Onting-onte na lang. Pakonting-konte na lang siya, guys. So, yeah, guys. Yun lang yung update ko sa second week ko. And I'm still going to continue using it until mabuo ko yung 1 month. Kasi after the 1 month, of course, as what I told you, I'm going to jump to the second set, which is the blue one. I'm not sure kung anong pangalan nun. But I just have to show you kung ano pa yung mga natira sa second week ko ng paggamit ng Derma set. Yung sabon, I'm still using it yung buong bar talaga sa katawan ko at sa mukha ko. So, yun pa rin yung gamit ko. And I still have more. I think aabot pa yun ng more than 1 month. But itong brightening cream, I just want to show you. Ito na lang yung natira, guys. Yan na lang siya after using it for 2 weeks. And yung sunblock naman, ito na lang din siya. Paubos na siya actually. But inuunti-unti ko lang siya. I have a second set pa naman, so I'm good for another 2 weeks time in case maubusan ako. And yung toner naman, guys, ano na siya, unti na lang siya. Di ko makita kung saan na lang siya. But I think like paubos na siya. Dito na siguro siya. I'm still going to keep updating you after. Next update ko is my 1 month update na using the Fair Skin Derma facial set. So yun na guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to like this video, and please don't forget guys to press the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.